Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find, remove and clean mine filter in the HAIER washer dryer iPro 5. So in the first step, the main filter is located on the right bottom side of the front of your appliance. You have to click on the cover to open it, and as you can see there you have the mine filter. You have to turn it to the left side. And remember before to prepare the vessel or something, because there is the risk of the water leakage. So put something below it, and now just remove the filter. After that you can fully remove it and clean under the water. And basically that's it. To put it back, just screw it to the right side. Close the top. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.